You are, madam?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
I'm from New York.
New York. And we got false examination. And this is the Vata Prakriti. We have three different type of Prakriti in all around. And what experience do you have? After pulse examination, I suggest 3 or 4 things about you. This is accurate or not?
I would say it's accurate. Yeah.
Accurate. And this is Vata Prakriti. So you have adopted this lifestyle. This is Vata. This is Vata Prakriti. Vata, you have to adopt this thing
Okay.
and avoid these things. Okay?
Okay.
Okay means
So
okay.
this is for me,
you.
not
Only
this.
this. Not. This
Okay.
is for with only 3 type of
And not
Prakritis.
this.
Not for this. Only Vata for
Okay.
you.
So Vata for
Vata
me.
lifestyle for you.
Okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
इसको खांसी की कुछ बता
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I will.
Thank you. Yeah.
Did you like it? Did you see it?
Yeah, okay.
I'm a traditional doctor, medical doctor, so it's very interesting for me to learn a different technique.
Yeah. And you? Anyone have experience? You? What? Which type of yeah.
I'm an academic, and one of my colleagues came over to India to do some research into Ayurvedic medicine, and ever since that study I've been very impressed with Ayurvedic. Thank you.
Namaste. I was just walking on the street and we just happened to stop over here. It was just mere chance that we spoke about Ayurveda, and when I turned and looked across, there was an Ayurvedic hospital. We walked inside and we met Dr. Sunil Kushwaha, and we had a very interesting experience over here, not just seeing the places, but we had my friend who went down and got us examined, and exactly right things were being told about them. So we are very influenced, and happy to see the positive growth of Ayurveda and the treatment pattern being given to us by Ayurveda. Thank you.
उन्नी कृष्णन जी हमारे बीच में है, जो कुछ टूरिस्ट को लेके इंग्लैंड और अमेरिका के टूरिस्ट को लेके आज हमारे बीच है। पहला दिन साल का पहला दिन, भारतीय साल का भी दिवाली। तो ये केरला से है, तो केरला में आयुर्वेद वैसे भी काफ़ी पॉपुलर है और उनके भी काफ़ी अच्छे अनुभव रहे हैं आयुर्वेद और पंचकर्म के। तो इन्होंने विजिट करवाया, तो जो भी टूरिस्ट को काफ़ी उपयोगी रहे। इसके पहले भी हम 230 से अधिक रोगियों का, जो 25 देशों के, उनका उपचार कर चुके हैं और आगे भी इनमें से कई लोग आयुर्वेद सीखना भी चाहते हैं और आयुर्वेद करवाना। जब भी अगली बार आएंगे तो जुड़ेंगे। तो हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ, एक ही सलाह है सभी के लिए, फॉर ऑल। एंड इन सबके भी अनुभव बहुत अच्छे रहे। हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर द विजिटिंग हियर इन पंचकर्म एक्सचेंज सेंटर बुंदी? हाउ डू यू फील?
We were very good. Very good. Thank you, Dr. Sir.
Okay.
He's doing this. For the classical ones, where the treatment, as I told you, that it takes a bit of time to treat.
Yoga is a part of a single dose.
We did 0.1 million people. in a single dose.
1.25 lakhs in a one single sitting at there. And
Let's see what this lady is come for.
पहले भी आए हैं, पहली बार दिखा रहे हैं।
So guys, see, this is very interesting. She has come. Her name is Srimati Ritu, and she's going to get treated by the doctor. So this is a prescription sheet. So he will just put, what he's looking onto. For example, is nadi, or it's, various different ways of treatment, and then he will prescribe the medicine here. And
It's a tool of Ayurvedic examination. In modern medicine, we go for blood investigation, X-ray, MRI, ECG, extra. We have special tools of examination, pulse examination. First is pulse examination. We can tell what dosha prakriti, according to prakriti, way of treatment, what where age means, what adaptation we have. We have special tools for examination. It's called Gastruvida and Gastric Parikya, and special yoga and pranayama, and what lifestyle you have to adopt according to season, according to daily basis. How to sleep, how to take food, which type of food he or she took. So we all mentioned in this prescription, and we Ayurveda focus on wellness and holistic approach. Not a patient come to us for cough or for fever and go for 1 and 2 and 3. We have a complete wellness, means holistic approach. We have a broad aspect. We have. This is a traditional medicine, 5,000 And we have 9 things to for healthy or for wellness. First is sleep. Second is for massage. Third is for exercise. Fourth is for nasal drop because pollution is all around the world. We can nothing to for this. For fifth thing is food. What food we should adopt. Sixth thing is focus on deification and seventh is special lifestyle means good lifestyle and main thing for wellness. 9 rules for wellness we have, and it is lifestyle and it is remedy, house remedies, means kitchen remedies we have in Indian.
Guys, for example, now the Western world knows Ayurveda by this, the massages. But you know what? This massage, this one I had a very bad accident. You see this? I'm a very bad driver. When I drive, I cannot drive slow. So I was on a speed of 150 kilometers, and a dog came and I was in music. I was not listening. I did like this, and my car went 9 turtles. But safe, nothing happened, only over here. But I couldn't sit down in the yoga pranayama, the yoga position to sit. So it's painful. I couldn't sit down with crossed legs. So in Kerala, where I come from, there is a very big hospital called as Nangeli, a house of Ayurveda. I went over there and I was given this treatment. You know what they do? They make white lentils. They make a paste of it, they make a base of it, they tied it like a boat at my back and they poured on hot oil, Ayurvedic medicine. And today I can sit and do this. So that's it.
There's a 2 things. First, I suggest fans for detoxification and for rejuvenation. The different type of follow-up therapy. We have a 5 main fold therapy, induced vomiting, induced purgation, bloodletting, nasal drop and enema. The stress, anxiety all around the world we have. WHO says 7 out of 10 disease occur from this. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, mental health condition and lung disease. So what the solution? The Panchakarma therapy will reduce this. So because lifestyle will improve and so we have a lot of experience. What is Ayurveda? We have exposure of more than 250 patients from 25 countries always with therapies. ये एक साल पुराना है इसलिए हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए we have a lot of 2 things to do. What we are doing? 2 types of wellness. We have 2 goals. Wellness. First purpose is to treat the pupil. First thing is balance of nirogi kaya. What we say?
What he says is that the 2 sort of first is wellness. That means our body has to be treated out first. It has to be healed first.
Preventive is better than cure. Means wellness. We are healthy. We always be healthy. Then after we got sick, and then after the treatment. Treatment is second part of Ayurveda, not a first goal. First goal is health, wellness, to improve our quality of life, enthusiasm and rejuvenation. Main thing is rejuvenation. We will go in a Panchakarma therapy. What is the Panchakarma therapy? Global Science Kerala Panchakarma to rejuvenate ourselves. So most of people will come to us. Then एक बार
Okay, guys,
yoga is second thing.
So what?
This come all the things.
So he says that this is a room which is a modern one, where they are giving different sort of therapy to relax a person and relax his body.
Back pain, headache, cervical spondylitis, generalized weakness, they all have. So you are coming to exertion, any type of exertion in leg or varicose vein and pain in soul. That this type of common problem we have in daily life. So for instant relief, these equipment will really help us on a single sitting or 2 sitting or 5 to 10 to 15 minutes. This is generally रोगियों से ही जानते हैं, कुछ बाहर से भी है. Madam come from France and got experience from here. The Panchakarma she took here, the 5-day therapy. So how do you feel, madam, on the first day here in Sirodhara and general massage steam we got? How do you feel? Kids, Manova, so what you saying?
I really felt Manova Ashrota telling, oh, something's happening
Yeah.
here. I really felt very good.
And
Yeah.
tomorrow is Dhanvantri Jayanti. So
Yeah.
what about the Ayurveda and Lord Dhanvantri? You have to say. You want to say?
What you want me to say?
Yeah, means global health. We will pray for global health.
Global
tomorrow.
healing for everybody on earth.
Holistic approach. We are, है ना?
And thank you, Ayurveda. Ayurveda, mother of medicine everywhere around the world.
हाँ, एक माता जी हमारे बीच में है जिनको क्या समस्या थी, कितने समय से थी माता?